Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious lime popsicles. First, gather your ingredients: fresh limes, sugar, and water. You'll need about 1/2 cup of fresh lime juice, which usually comes from 4 to 6 medium limes. For sweetness, start with 1/2 cup of sugar, but feel free to adjust it up to 2/3 cup based on your preference. This simple combination forms the perfect tart and sweet foundation for your frozen treats. Now let's prepare the mixture. In a saucepan, combine your fresh lime juice, sugar, and 1 1/2 cups of water. Heat this mixture over medium-low heat, stirring constantly until all the sugar has completely dissolved. Do not boil it. Once dissolved, remove from heat and let it cool slightly. This is the perfect time to taste the mixture and adjust the sweetness or tartness to your liking before freezing. Once your lime mixture has cooled, it's time to get them into the molds. Carefully pour the liquid into your popsicle molds, leaving a small space at the top for expansion. Then, insert your popsicle sticks into each mold. Make sure they are centered. Place the filled molds into the freezer and let them chill for at least 4 to 6 hours, or preferably overnight, until they are completely solid. Patience is key for perfect popsicles. To easily remove your frozen lime popsicles, run the molds under warm water for about 15 to 20 seconds. This helps loosen them without melting too much. Once removed, you can enjoy them immediately or store them in an airtight container in the freezer for future enjoyment. They are a refreshing treat on a warm day. Don't forget to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy popsicle making.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.